Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm explain what it means when your Cash App payment is pending or frozen, and I will show you simple step to fix it. Let's get started. First, how long will my payment be pending? First, if you see a payment pending, make sure to accept it within 24 hours. If you don't accept it in time, the payment will be cancelled automatically. Once you accept the payment, it usually processes within 1 to 3 business days. Common reason for pending payments. Why payments are going through the pending? Here are few common reasons why payments may stay pending. Cash App detects unusual activity or a suspicious activity and holds the payments for your safety. If payments to restricted business like telemarketer or adult contact are blocked, your Cash App is outdated, but update it from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. A poor internet connection cause delay. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data. A poor internet connection can cause delays. The sender has insufficient funds to complete the payments. Occasionally, system delays or issues on Cash App's site. Next, we see how pending payments work. First, check your internet connection to make sure it's working well. Second, update and reinstall the apps and check the service status. Cash App itself maybe not be working, so visit the status checker and see there are issues in the service. Clear the app cache, ensure your account is verified, check your bank details, know your account limits, update or reinstall the app. Check for multiple logins, change your Cash App PIN, contact your bank. If none of these steps work, you can get help by contact support. Tapping for your profile icon in the app, selecting the support, then start a chat, visiting the website, the Cash App help, or others phone number. That's for today. If this tutorial found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.